Yes, this is how I look. There's nothing like absolutely wrong with it. It's just I don't feel hot. I just finished my like menstrual cycle and it's time to like change it up, time to be that girl as I mentioned. I use my notebook so that way we can keep track of what we need to get done. So for this makeover sounds so drastic, but I'm doing a bunch of little things that actually do have an effect on just my everyday being and everyday physical appearance, which I love. So we're gonna first shave. That's a big one. Shave head to toe. We're going to self-tan, use self-tanner. Just because I feel like my skin's just looking really like dull because it's winter time and I'm just like not for it. I live in Cali, so I have to look golden like all the time. Let's see, nails. Valentine's Day is next week, so I gotta make sure I look good. Next we have eyebrows. I kind of like clean them up, but I can always clean them up and like maybe shave my face. And then I have to do my lash extensions or clusters. And if I have a hair mask, we're gonna do a hair mask. I don't know if we do, but yes. Yes, I am not going through the rest of this month feeling just very blah about myself. So let's get it done. Do you see how insane I look? Which is why this video is so necessary. I'm about to take a shower. I can't bring you guys with me in the shower. I'm not gonna show you guys my shower, and I'm not gonna bring you in the shower with me. I'm just not. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
Long as you got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this. Return back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left my work this time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. You on scene, think you know your blood's so funny to me. That's why you think I left my work this time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay on the name. Nothing from you to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
Rock out your, come on.
VIP.
Now bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Now bust a booty up, bust a booty up, bust a booty up. You fake. Come on. Give me when you get your. Give me when you get. Give me when you get your. Give me when you get your.
VIP.
Now bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Now bust a booty up, bust a booty up, bust a booty up. Give me when you get off. Give me when you get off. Give me when you get off. Give me when you get off.
Have you ever loved someone so much you thought you got? Giving so much of yourself, it seems the only way. Tell me what you want and got, and I will give it to you. 'Cause you are my love.
High volume, high volume.
Sometimes I look around for someone who might understand it. Seen it in their eyes that they'll never get it. I think I lost my patience, and now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us. Hate the way they painted. Love the way that you walk and the air you breathe. I just lay on top, but it bothers me. 'Cause it ain't love they see. It ain't not to discuss, 'cause it is to me. And so what? I've had you fell in love a couple times. Tell me, what's into you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love a couple times? Tell me, what's into you? Tell me, is it a crime to fall?
Is it a crime? I'll let it crime now. 'Cause if not in this job, then you're my prisoner. So let me throw away this key, 'cause you won't give me up. Let 'em know we don't give a fuck. All they want is to see us breaking up. If I search the 7 seas and never find love, a heart like mine, better yet can forget my mind. Some may say a girl shouldn't lay the cards on the table, but I'm a woman, I'm not a girl. Is that a crime in this cruel world?
And so